Hello and welcome to JavaScript in Less Than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Now, in my last video about arrow functions, I promised you that I would describe hoisting. So here we are, we've got a little bit of time, so let's go through it really carefully. Now, let's say that we want to create a very simple function that adds two numbers. So here's a very simple function, function keyword, the name of the function, add, and then we give it two parameters, num1 and num2. Then once this function is called, which so far it is not, it will return those two numbers added together. So we could say add 2 and 3, and this will return 6. And we could assign this to a variable. Let final num equal add, 5 and 16. Yeah, and now final num has the value of 21. Right, so this is pretty straightforward. Nothing you haven't seen yet, or seen already, I should say. But there is a fun little quirk of JavaScript, which is the following. JavaScript, when it is looking at what you have typed and it's evaluating it, breaking it down, trying to understand what you've typed and turn it into commands for the computer, it actually does this fun little thing where it looks for this keyword function. Right? It looks for the keyword function, and if it finds it, it moves anything beginning with that right up to the top of your code. Yeah, right to the very top. So it actually doesn't matter if we have function there or down here. If you're just looking at this, you would think this would not work because we're calling here a function that doesn't exist yet to us as humans, right? But we are not the computer interpreting this language. So the computer finds this word function and it, in its computery way, trying to keep this as simple as possible, takes this, goes, oh, I see you're a function, I'm going to put you right at the top of the code so that this will work. So we can put this down here, we can do so much code here. We could write like thousands and thousands of lines of code and have function add be right at the very bottom of all of it. It doesn't matter. This will always work, right? So that is hoisting, where things are kind of moved up to the top. Yeah, if you think of someone like hoisting fish out of the water or something like that, then that helps kind of just move this function right to the top of our program so that it is defined for eternity, I guess. I'm gonna have to leave it there, but thank you for watching and I will see you next time.